Hello everyone, I'm Melissa with AC Pro, and I'm here to discuss some of the major benefits of our Y-Series air conditioning and heating systems. There are many reasons why the Y-Series is a great fit for you as a homeowner. Let's take a look at why. Traditional air conditioning and heating systems typically discharge air vertically, where the fan blows air out of the top of the system. This type of design may not be suitable for every environment, as it can take up a lot of space and may not be suitable for smaller areas. However, our Y-Series system has a horizontal discharge, where the fan blows air out from the side of the unit. This unique design helps to save space, as the depth of the system is cut more than half compared to traditional vertical discharge units. This makes it an excellent option for smaller side yards or other spaces where space is at a premium. In addition to its space-saving design, the Y-Series system is built with a durable enclosure, which contributes to its low noise levels. This makes it a great alternative for new construction, add-ons, or replacements where noise or space considerations are important factors to consider. With its efficient and innovative design, the Y-Series system is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality heating or cooling system that maximizes space and minimizes noise. Traditional systems are known to produce high levels of noise, often running in upwards of 80 decibels. Even newer traditional systems can run in the upper 70 decibels, which can be quite loud and disruptive in residential environments. However, the Y-Series system has the advantage of being much quieter, with the ability to run as low as 53 decibels, which is equivalent to a standard refrigerator. This makes the Y-Series system a great choice for those who prioritize quiet operation and minimal disruption in the home. A heat pump compressor is an important part of a heat pump system. Its job is to squeeze a special gas called refrigerant, which absorbs heat when it expands and releases heat when it gets compressed. It's like a heat transporter. In the winter, when you're heating your home, the refrigerant is compressed. It becomes hot and releases that heat as needed. In the summer, when you're cooling your home, the refrigerant expands and absorbs heat from the surrounding area. This process of absorbing and releasing heat allows the heat pump to provide heating or cooling for your home. When inside temperatures rise to uncomfortable levels, the traditional units jump from off to 100% capacity and will continue to run at that pace until it reaches the set temperature. It then shuts off again and will repeat this process every time the temperature rises above or below set levels. The harder the compressor runs, the more electricity it will consume. When it's forced to operate at 100% capacity for long periods of time, it's consuming large amounts of electricity, which can get expensive. The Y-Series variable speed option gives it the ability to adjust its pace to meet your needs without wasting energy or money. This also adds a bonus of humidity control, which will make your home feel like a cozy oasis in no time. Please be aware, this system will run longer, but it will run at a lower speed. This can be compared to a car that is driving 30 miles per hour versus 80 miles per hour. To put it simply, the Y-Series system can ramp up to full speed if need be, but driving at 30 miles per hour rather than 80 miles per hour all the time can help you get more bang for your buck when it comes to efficiency. A heat pump is a machine that can make your home warm when it's cold and cool when it's hot outside. It does this by moving heat from one place to another. In winter, the heat pump collects heat from the outside air, even when it's chilly. Then it brings that heat inside your home to make it warm and cozy. In summer, it does the opposite. It takes the heat from inside your home and sends it outside, making the inside cooler and more comfortable. Traditional heat pump systems rely on extracting heat from the outdoor air to warm the indoor spaces. However, as the outdoor temperature drops, the heat pump's ability to extract heat also decreases. This is because there is less heat available in colder temperatures, and the heat pump needs to work harder to extract it. At very low temperatures, traditional heat pumps may not be able to extract enough heat from the outdoor air to keep indoor spaces comfortable, which can be a problem in areas with harsh winters. Additionally, as the heat pump works harder to extract heat, it becomes less efficient, leading to higher energy bills. To address this issue, the Y-Series heating system uses variable speed compressors to adjust the amount of heat being extracted based on the outdoor temperature, improving efficiency and performance in the coldest and warmest climates in the world. That's right, even if you live in some of the most extreme cold climates, no worries, an auxiliary heating method can be added to keep you warm. When it comes to selecting a thermostat, it's important to choose one that's compatible with your system and that has been designed and tested by the manufacturer. The Y-Series system has the option for full communicating operation with the factory-provided controller. The Y-Series system also has an option to install a communicating Wi-Fi controller, which gives homeowners the ability to connect a smartphone or any device with internet connection from anywhere, anytime. This can be especially useful if you're away from home for an extended period, as you can make sure your home stays at a comfortable temperature without wasting energy or money. This option gives you ultimate control, convenience, and efficiency without breaking the bank. Although the application of inverter-driven technology in traditional systems is considered new, it has been tried and tested in many split systems for decades. This technology has been used in some of the coldest and warmest climates on Earth. At AC Pro, we know that investing in a new heating and air conditioning system is a big decision, which is why we take quality control and production processes very seriously. Our Y-Series systems are no exception. We are so confident in the quality of our products that we offer a 10-year parts warranty and 10-year protection on the compressor. This warranty is a valuable promise that can provide homeowners with protection, peace of mind, and cost savings. The Seasonal Energy Efficiency Rating, known as SEER, is the standard for measuring the air conditioning and heat pump system's energy efficiency. The higher the SEER, the more efficient the unit is, and the lower your bills will be. SEER 2 is a more recent rating system that considers the energy efficiency of the unit over a wider range of temperatures. Our Y-Series system is not only energy efficient, but it can be rated as high as 20 SEER, or in today's standards, 17 SEER 2, depending on the unit size or indoor equipment. Matching the Y-Series indoor unit with the Y-Series outdoor unit will maximize performance, increase efficiency, and ensures a properly optimized system for your home. You'll be able to enjoy a cooler home without breaking the bank. To ensure optimal performance of your heat pump, it's important to have the external static pressure checked during installation. This helps ensure the system can push air effectively without wasting energy. External static pressure is like the resistance that your heat pump system faces when it pushes air through the ducts. If the pressure is too high, it can strain the system and make it less efficient. If the pressure is too low, it could mean there are leaks or issues with the ductwork. So don't forget to request a static pressure test from your contractor to ensure a proper installation. So there you have it. The Y-Series system is a better performing system that uses a whole lot less energy and was designed with the homeowner in mind. In terms of having low operating cost, a compact size, quiet sound levels, and being backed by our 10-year warranty, I have to say, this is one of the highest value and most versatile products on the market. So go ahead, embrace the power of the Y-Series system.